National Association ni Baptist Association ni tabu Executive Secretary. Ang lagi sini angko association ni kuai buku kamu, saya ayo kita kalau siapa dengan koyo, setlis terus lagi.
SPWS ni omoi chuno rimhono manmani bagai Europeania Christian Fellowship tui thangromno SPWS ni omoi hambaya kharo sini momo thangnai angomkha ani bumong Mrs. PL Besaki Secretary SPWS Salgra Baptist Women's Society ni lai ani kandara tongo Mrs. Sumita Tripura President Salgra Baptist Women's Society ni Salgra Baptist Women's Society ni omoi iro phainai joto nokrai tai i fellowship to nai romo tai to mo tai khambai ya khara khambai joto nokrai
pulau joto no ani khapang khaksa mate khambai ya kharo angkai wayak mane tamnai yakri Baptist Association of Missionaries angkai Sotonok ni Profesor Ojendra Devarma.
Ane bomongke anandorian ang Yapri Baptist Association ni Kroksa Worker Songhor ke Yapri Baptist Youth Fellowship ni Secretary Chin Association ni Secretary Phaimalia kini program kabang ma tongo han bagoy Chin Missionary Kroksa Youth ni Secretary Kroksa Songphailayo hambai.
Ini sengkai sok pendekar musician yang gue, ani mungkin James Tomatia, ke alo coba untuk, bini mungkin emus dewarma kibut tahu, ke tekrosa selatan kuk ke dewas dewarma bongka okupet, tola dulu putang, ke ayam ke da Sanjay. Untuk lead guitar, kita ayam tongko singer korong lagi sampai tunggu Roton Jamatia baik Rasmuhun Jamatia. Asal te tongko sini logo price sampai jat oh area ni no Sasiram Parani Rizai Kumar Tripura. Okay, te base data nine. Sino suba u boke sini oh area ni no sini officer sat Samuel Tripura asino jotono hambai
jotono tunggaham hambai jotono kaitoni manbai sina introduction rani bagai jora ramani bagai ang pulau ani sini menguasai sana, ani menguha Super Sondro Tripura, ang 2014 ini, birang kaitoni samung buat kamu, lai 16, 17 birang, sekretari kai samda di sini disiap ni angway, lai kalau jaga kai ang sasinai, sini member itu Vice President, Boha sini da Ajoy Tripura, presently 45 Plaiha, University Rock, lai sini second one Grito Tripura, ya kisari, sini Boha live Sujel Tripura, Dotono Politongwe Tabok, MCom, play jabo MCom Rock Plaija. Boleh sini Robin Mohan Tripura, boleh Ankong Klaitomo, boleh Jefferson Rian, boleh MA, boleh third lagi sini Sikel Tripura, third lagi sini Riaz tu sini gam kaham Berno Klaitomo, third sini Mr. Susam Tripura ex member sini, third lagi sini yang Vikas Tripura, Lai ini pore Hetero Tripura, sorry, pasal ang mutlak lepas ha. Lai bukan dah sini bukan lesson milat coba dak sana tu dulu ti pajak cara pun sini di bisem ni dah saderan Tripura bukan sini ex presiden sini sekarang lai yang hukum dia supaya waktu hukum dia sebenarnya sini menghambat sini sebenarnya mereka kini dapat
Ani mga David Tripura ang Munugan Motani. Sini BCF the history of first office period since 2008 discussion scandal not maximum honestly I left this BCF fellowship in the year of 2011. So first we have established this BCF in the year you can see in the calendar 2006. So in the year 2000 after many Christian members together in the college so we formed BCF and we form committee member as well as office bearer. So there is one guy or professor Rajendra Dalong. Through his advice, so we formed a new committee and as well as new office bearer. So I was elected as a 2008 to 9 as a secretary, 9 to 10 and 10 to 11, 3 years. So nok sini majena, right? Ang Munugan ni, right? Alam ko sini unit maximum nomi senior, bukan hal ni, 2000 ani 1 year junior, bini pore, sen 2011 pore thamani pore, sen iras mana, sen kau lagi tu BCF sen after 2011 after long back, after long communication, miscommunication means tawar lai hijack yang bagai, ini orang sini mana, ini awal kuat mana bagai, ini pihak belakang tongkol bahang. So sini si semua yang highest 30 member or 20 member. So first advance Christmas saya, town hall kanar kaya tong, library tama kaya library tong, citizen kaya, library sen 2011, 2009 first kaya, bini pore kaya sen বিভিন্ন guest house, the final last sen present dok thai tong na, je no parlamani, bonus sen like tamani. Sing sini tuan boleh buat, mama tama sini generation of cycle belaki hambai, sing kos boleh apa sing WhatsApp group tu বিভিন্ন sini member sing communicate tama, belaki hambai dia rasa mama member nunggu ni baik, belaki tong zak, belaki kat sana. So God bless you all. Thank you.
Poin lawan pun kah, teh nol tu no, ani kapal ni hamcam lah, teh cuba ya paro. Ani mungkin Rohan Debruma, angke KDA Commonwealth Baptist Association ni, te orang ang rumsungui tunggu, aku lihat te okey kena otui EU te ICU Intercollege Evangelical Union ni tunggu, ke ojaga samtang tunggu, as a leader, ke orang family karan ke, cuma ojaga UK program lekhan kau ni pal drop sing song, program invitation di mana sih ke, angke ni orang support. So, sekarang ham.